Hi students, today we are making a video for CMA students. This is one of the important topic we know that which we call measurement of inventory at the lower of cost or market. So here basically students face the issue how to calculate the market. So we will develop very simple rule for you how to calculate the market. So few important things you need to understand. The first one, we have to understand how to calculate NRV ceiling and NRV floor. So basically NRV ceiling is the upper limit and NRV floor is the lower limit. Here the formula is in front of you. NRV ceiling is equal to sales minus cost of completion minus cost of disposal. So these values will be given in the question. He will give you sales value, cost of completion and cost of disposal. So you just have to apply the formula and get the NRV ceiling. So this basically you have to calculate NRV ceiling. Then after that basically you have to move for NRV floor. Let me show you how to do NRV floor. There is a formula for NRV floor. NRV floor is equal to NRV selling minus profit margin. So from NRV selling we have to subtract the profit margin and we will get the NRV floor. Once you calculate NRV selling and floor, you will have current replacement cost in the question as well. Now we can apply the rule. The first rule says that current replacement cost will be the market if it's not crossing NRV selling and NRV floor. So in case if the CRC is falling between two limits, so in that case CRC will be over market. Now we can check the rule number 2. Before going to rule number 2, we will check the example for rule number 1. So here we have sales price which is 100, cost of completion is 20, cost of disposal is 10. We subtracted everything and we got NRV selling. NRV selling once we have, we will calculate NRV floor. How to calculate NRV selling minus profit margin. So profit margin is 15, so NRV floor is 55. Now we apply the first rule. NRV ceiling in front of is 70, NRV floor is 55 and CRC is 60. So you can say that if we apply the rule, you can see here 60 is between NRV ceiling and floor. It is not crossing these two limits. So that's why 60 itself, because it is between 55 and 70, 60 itself is market. So this rule will be applicable when basically the CRC is not crossing these two limits. Now we come to the second rule. In second rule, what can happen basically, you will see that CRC will cross these two limits. So in this case what we do, we check which particular limit it is crossing and we observe where it is crossing, that particular limit will be over market. So here we can see that in rule number 2, I will show you the example. We have NRV selling, same formula I applied. Then we have NRV floor which is 35, CRC 65. So here you can see that CRC is crossing basically NRV ceiling. So here the limit which it is crossing, that will be over, that particular limit will be over market. So here CRC which is 65 crossing NRV ceiling, so 50 is over market. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you people. You can tell us about the topics for which we need to make the videos for you, and we can guide you for all matters related to CMA. Thank you.